Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we want to find the frequency when these two, when the voltage and the current are both in phase. Now, thinking about phasors, I'm going to pause for just a second. When do you think the voltage and current will be in phase? In other words, we have 0-degree phase angle here. We want current to also be 0 degrees phase angle. When does that happen? Think of the phasor diagram. So voltage is going to be, VR is going to be I times R. VL is going to be J omega L, VL. And VC is going to be 1 over J omega C. Okay. J, equal sign, equal, not a not equal. That's an artifact of my little, this giga, my input device. It does weird things like this. When does that happen? When is VR here in phase with I? Give you a second to think about it. Did you say when this and this are equal? If you did, you would have been right. You set these two equal times I. I need the times I for all these things. Times I. Here's the impedance. Here's the impedance. Okay. Set 1 over J omega C equal J omega L. And that's going to give you an omega squared equals 1 over LC. Now I should have dropped the J's. The distance down, the absolute magnitude of the distance down needs to equal the absolute magnitude of the distance up. 1 over omega C is the distance of this arrow, this, down. Omega L is the distance up. Equate these two. I shouldn't have said J. I should have dropped the J's. I'm dropping the J's now. Going back and saying, oops, I need to drop the J's. So omega is going to equal square root of 1 over LC. And of course you can crunch the numbers. 1 millihenry times 1 ohm, times 1 microfarad gives you a nano, 1 nanohertz, or no, not nanohertz, nano radian squared per second squared. And so you get the square root of 10, 10 to the negative 3 something times 10 to the negative 5. 3 something times 10 to the negative 5 rads per second. Let's see what the book does. Raise all the to the 5. Remember, 3 times 10 to the negative 5. This is going to be the phase angle given by the imaginary parts. And there it is. There's where the two have to add them together. I looked at the absolute magnitudes being equal to each other. 3 times, oops, I messed up. Wait a minute. Oh, dang it, that's right. I had 10 to the negative ninth down here, but I didn't take the reciprocal, the 1 over LC. Okay. 1 over the number I got would give you the correct answer. I was doing it in my head, obviously. Okay, moving on.